Okay, we're now landing at Shanghai's Hongchiao International Airport in a few, about less than a minute. Actually, Shanghai has two international airports. The newer one at Pudong and this one in Hongchiao. This is nearer to Shanghai. But during departure, in the next 4 days, we will be departing from the new Pudong Airport. This is the other one, Hongchiao. Okay, so we're now landing. As you can see, this is the Hongchiao. Oh, sort of still under construction. As you can see, some terminals are still under construction. There, you can see there. So this is another new terminal of Hongchiao, but the other side is the current one. Again, Hongchiao is the first airport, the second is in Pudong. The one where the maglev or the magnetic train that is the fastest in the world is located is in the other side in Pudong, not here, okay? Just to be clear.
现在是北京时间下午12点55分，地面温度31摄氏度。88华氏度，飞机还将继续航行。在系好安全带、指示灯熄灭之前，请不要开启手机电源，不要离开座位。打开行李架时请小心，以防止行李滑落发生意外。下机时请带好您的随身物品。相运行李请到候机楼行李提取处领取。需要转机的旅客，请到转机柜台办理手续。各位旅客，感谢您乘坐东航的班机，欢迎您2010年参观上海世博会，并期待您再次见面。谢谢。Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed Shanghai Hongqiao Airport. The time is 12:55 p.m. and the temperature is 31 degrees centigrade or 88 degrees Fahrenheit. It is a safety requirement that you
this is Hongchiao. Again, it's an old airport. It's not the new airport.
Okay?
There's the tower. See?
Please take care when opening the overhead compartment.
Again, the maglev is not located here. It's in the newer spunky new Pudong. It's about 40 kilometers from here. Okay?
Your checked baggage may be claimed at the baggage claim area.
Again.
Transit passengers
Hongchiao International Airport.
Counters in the terminal coming to
okay, and this is my stupid friend Fenty.
Thank you for flying with us.
And this is me.
Welcome you visit 2010 Shanghai World Expo. And we look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you.